Welcome to the OneNFP Financials and Financials Lite overview on your reporting options. There are a number of ways to view the data in your software. Let's start by talking about the predefined reports. There are more than 60 predefined reports available in the software. On each page you'll see reports related to that area of the software. For example, on the vendor list, you'll see reports related to vendors. Let's click back over to the Role Center. In the online help, you'll find a full list of the reports along with a brief description. Some commonly used reports are available from the Accounting Staff Role Center, including the statements of activity and financial position, the trial balance. This trial balance by fund will segregate onto a separate page your trial balances by fund, and some aging reports. When you produce these reports, you'll be able to save them as PDF, Word, or Excel. Also available in the software is a user-defined reporting tool. With this tool, you define separate row and column layouts and then combine them to create a report. You can then save those reports to your Role Center under My Reports here. Let's scroll down and let's take a look at one of the reports I have here. Revenue and expense by program. My row layout is revenue and expense, my revenue and expense accounts here. My column layout creates columns for each of my programs. So I'm looking at my revenue and expenses by program. And I can drill down on any of these numbers to see the underlying transactions in the ledger. From there, I can navigate on the entries and research if I need to. It's a very nice feature, being able to drill down. Let's go back. So let's change this up a bit. Remember I said this is a combination of row and column. So let's pick, I've got a summary of fund expenses. So I've filtered each of these rows by a fund value and my expense accounts. My columns are still by program. So I'm seeing my expenses by fund and by program. Now let's try changing the column layout. And let's pick just a simple budget to actual. So hopefully that helps you understand the concept of the user-defined row layouts. You can also enter filters to change what you're seeing. You can change your date, and then you can memorize it and save it to your My Reports section of the Role Center. Finally, with your OneNFP Financials and Financials Lite subscription, you receive a subscription to a product called Jet Reports. This is an add-in to Excel. Let me open up Excel and show you. So what Jet does, when you install it, you get this tab in Excel, and you can build reports. You can add charts, you can add slicers. You can then update that data directly from the OneNFP database, so you're not having to recreate, you just refresh it. OneNFP provides 3 Jet reports to you, and you can create as many additional reports as you would like. You can also contract with OneNFP to build Jet reports for your organization. Other versions of Jet are also available for increased reporting options, but at an additional cost. Thank you very much, and keep your eye out for more training.